Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market analysis dated September 22, 2022. Indian equity markets fell today for second consecutive day. NIFTY opened gap down around 17,600 and faced high volatility due to expiry and US Fed's aggressive decision on rate hikes, and managed to make a day high of 17,722. After that we can see some profit booking. At the time of close, NIFTY managed to close above 17,625, which is a good sign. Similarly, SENSEX fell down almost 337 points to give a closing of 59,120. Talking about sectors, NIFTY Media was the top performer, rising 1.85%. Now, talking about the three stocks that have managed to be in gainers list today are Titan, Hindustan Unilever and Asian Paints. FMCG sector saw good buying amid volatility as it is defensive sector. Top three stocks mentioned above rose by 2.47%, 2.63% and 2.79% respectively. On the other hand, we will talk about those three stocks which ended as top losers. They are PowerGrid, HDFC Bank and Axis Bank. Banking sectors saw hammering today amid volatility. Top three losers mentioned above fell within the range of 2.07% to 3.08% respectively. In terms of today's corporate news, we have the following developments. Country's largest public sector lender, State Bank of India, on September 21 said that it has raised 4,000 Indian rupees crore Basel III compliant Tier 2 bonds at a coupon rate of 7.57%. The public lender also said that the Tier 2 bonds attracted an overwhelming response from investors with bids of 9,647 Indian rupees crore and was oversubscribed by about 5 times against the base issue size of 2,000 Indian rupees crores. ASHOKA BUILDCON mining mogul Anil Agarwal-led Vedanta Resources credit profile will unlikely be weighed down by the group's planned 1.54 rupees lakh crore foray into semiconductor manufacturing. This is because the company has reiterated that the $20 billion related investment will be carried out outside of Vedanta Resources. Reliance Brands is in advanced stage of talks to take over the India rights for premium makeup and beauty retail chain Sephora. This latest development comes at a time when Reliance Retail is looking to enter the FMCG and personal care market and strengthen its position in the retail market. Reliance Brands also recently forayed into the food and beverages retail space with a long-term franchise partnership with Pret a Manger, a global fresh food and organic coffee chain. Shares of ADANI Ports and Special Economic Zone gained over 2% at open on September 22, after the company reportedly said it will soon get the letter of intent from West Bengal government to develop the Tajpur deep sea port. The state government said the Greenfield project will entail a total investment of 25,000 rupees crore, of which 15,000 rupees crore will go towards port development and the rest toward building related infrastructure. India may unwind a 4-year-old decision to combine 2 state-run lenders as it seeks to sidestep local rules that restrict them from funding power projects in one of the world's fastest-growing energy markets. Power Finance and REC will enjoy their different exposure limits as separate companies, potentially resulting in greater project funding. Power Grid Corporation of India Limited is down for a 5th straight session today. The stock is quoting at 221.35 rupees, down 2.51% around 1 p.m. on the NSE. Power Grid Corporation of India Limited has lost around 2.72% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 139.59 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 99.93 lakh shares in last 1 month. JINDAL Stainless Limited gained for a 3rd straight session today. The stock is quoting at 141.75 rupees, up 2.49% around 1 p.m. on the NSE. JINDAL Stainless Limited has risen around 16.24% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 29.5 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 8.96 lakh shares in last 1 month. VARUN Beverages Limited is up for a third straight session today. The stock is quoting at 1,155.1 rupees, up 2.73% around 1 p.m. on the NSE. VARUN Beverages Limited has gained around 19.88% in last 1 month. The volume on the stock stood at 9.95 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 14.84 lakh shares in last 1 month.